I'm Jerry Laker. I'm a British biologist and I work in Pucón in the south of Chile. We have a new startup called Codcod Lugar de Encuentros, and I put together a few slides to show you what it's all about.